Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Frecia and welcome to the Dream Team family. Hello, if it is your first time to be here, please consider subscribing down below. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell that you'll never miss out any upload that you upload weekly. Wow, it's like a poem. Anywho, thank you so much guys for joining this video. I really do appreciate. As I am introducing this video, I'm still in my room, but I'm about to go out and run some errands, do some shopping, grocery shopping, you know, personal basic items only. Anyway, do some shopping and then we'll be back home. So I want to take you guys with me and see where we go and see what we will do, and let's see the streets of Qatar. Let's see what Qatar has to offer. So guys, I'm leaving the accommodation and as you can tell, it's really hot, but it's much better. It's around 3:30 p.m. and yeah, I'm heading to the gate and get the Uber. So let's go and get the Uber. Yeah, the first errand is to go make the SIM card, register, and then next stop will be at the money exchange, and then we also have to do shopping for food and also for some stuff that I need to shop. So yeah, this is the mall. As you can see right back there is the entrance of the mall, and there we go. So this is Lulu, for those who are wondering. This is Lulu hypermarket in Garafa. And so yeah, let's go and get Oredo. Oredo is the SIM card place. So yeah, let's go. Okay, by the way, if I did not mention, this is the first time I'm coming to this mall. So yeah, I know, and the reason why I came here is because of this Oredo, and it is closed. Okay. So guys, I just came from the Oredo shop, and apparently I did not even get help from the Oredo place because my SIM card has a problem. Okay, not my SIM card. So you know guys, I have come back here, but still when you come back here you still get the same ID number you had, and now this ID number was registered, there's another number registered under it, which is the number I was using 3 years ago, and I don't have it. So now what I have to do is, again, you know, I was trying like calling the customer care for help, but they sent me to the branch here, and then when I came here they told me that I should actually visit the main branch in city center. So that is what I will do next. So for today is a disappointment and I feel so bad about it because I really wanted to use this. So now, enough of bad news. So the next thing I'm looking for right now is a tripod. Here at Lulu, there's a specific place I buy my tripods, and I'm really shining. Jesus Christ, my forehead. So yeah, there's a specific place I buy my tripods. But I heard that there are tripods here also. So that is what I'm looking for. Still on first floor, and then I will go for. Okay, I thought somebody called me. So I'll go for to ground floor and buy some food. So let's try and get the tripods. I don't know where they are, or rather I'll just go and check in ground floor. So let's just go in ground floor. So yeah, back to ground floor. Now I'm on my way and I'm so sorry today I'm not giving you eye contact, but yeah, it is what it is. So I'm back to ground floor after the whole disappointment thing. Now I want to go to the money exchange place. I hope I'll not be disappointed there also, but I don't see a reason to. And then yeah, I will catch up with you guys after I complete I complete what I want to do at the money exchange place, and then we go right to the shopping. I can't even see it, but let me look for it. So this is me coming back to you as if I have done nothing wrong. But yeah, we did not get to end the video because I faced so many disappointments. Hello you guys, thank you so much for clicking into this video. I really do appreciate that. In case it is the first time to be here, please consider subscribing down below to turn on notification bell that you'll never miss out any upload that you upload weekly. So guys, today I'm here with an update. I know I've been away. Okay, it is like less than 5 days, but I feel like it has been forever. But the reason why I have been away, I have had a long 2 weeks now. Even though I could upload, I was not feeling okay. So you guys, for an update, you remember I went for my first dose of COVID-19. Now the second dose, I got it and it came back with full force. So I had so many side effects. I was not feeling well. And then along the way also I got some other body problems. I was not okay. I got a toothache, and that is why I'm using a mask speaking to you guys, because the mask is preventing me from getting the cold air, because I still have that toothache, crazy toothache until today. So yeah, that's why I've not been posting like usual vlogs and a usual timeline. Anywho, there's another video that I was about to upload some 2 days ago. I went and recorded, but I faced so many disappointments. I was going to run some errands, and I even introduced the video. We went so well, we got there well, but I did not get to do anything that I wanted because I was so frustrated. So as I record this video, it is very early in the morning. I'm heading out for work, and I thought I'll just take this clip for you guys not to miss me so much. I record a few minutes and then I just go to work, and then put the clips that I recorded in the previous place that I went to. So yeah, that is why I am in uniform, and that's it. So I was so disappointed. When I went to my SIM card offices, I was disappointed from the beginning, and then I was supposed to look for some other things. I got disappointed, and I did not even get to do shopping because just when I started like shopping and picking up stuff, I got a call from a delivery company that was supposed to be delivered at my accommodations where we stay, and so I had to leave again from there and go to the accommodations because it was supposed to be picked immediately. If you let the people go, the delivery people go, now you'll have to start looking for them because your products will be taken back to the warehouse and all that. So a lot happened that day, and so that's why we ended up with disappointments. So there are days like this, and that's why I'm sharing. There are days like this that you start a vlog hoping you'll be very happy, it will end well, but shit happens. So you guys enjoy the video. I'll be back soon with another video, and I'm really having good videos coming up, so stay tuned in.